Precautions of Chemical Safety in Workplace.
Oh hi there, I am Arthur, I and my colleagues are going to talk on all about chemical safety or precautions of chemical safety in the workplace, with the cooperation of Health Safety and Environment of Pakistan. To begin with, Saad is here to tell us about what and where chemicals are found in workplace. Chemicals are present everywhere in every workplace. They are used to stick things together, feed an ink bottle, cleaning, maintenance, and lots of other things. They are found in form of dust particles, liquids, gases and other. So as he told you, chemicals are everywhere in the workplace in any form. Whether it is in powdery form, liquid, or gas vapors. So Rick will help you know how chemicals can be hazardous to health.
There are lots of health risks found from chemicals. Some of the types of health risks are temporary, permanent, direct, and systematic. For short-term effect, we say acute. As the skin exposes to chemicals, it will cause minor effect, like throat irritation or nose irritation, then gently it gets more time by time, causing eye damage or blowing out chemical vapors. For the long-term effect, we say it as chronic. Well, it takes years to show up. Usually those effects are permanent.
Well, now you know types and causes of chemical exposure, but we don't know how it enters our body? So let's hear from Williams, maybe he can throw light on this question. Williams, can you tell us how does the chemical enters in our body in form of vapors?
Listen, they enter through many routes: breathing, skin or eye contact, and ingestion. First, through breathing. Chemical vapors, mists, or dust particles enter your body. Second, when chemical particles exposed to skin, they are absorbed in bloodstream and also irritates the skin and damages tissues and vital organs. And third, they enter through your mouth. If you forgot to wash your hand, or by mistake chemical is spread near your lunch area, and it enters your stomach, making long-term effects and short-term effects to appear.
Thank you for helping me know the routes of entry of chemicals to our body. So now we know, where are chemicals found, what are the effects of chemical exposure, and routes of entry of chemical vapors to liquids to our body. But we don't know what equipment are in a chemical protective workwear. So let's ask Saad for our last question. Welcome back. A good question. Well, for protective workwear, you need to have chemical or waterproof gloves, safety goggles, lab coat, respiratory protection, and foot protection. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Now I think you got lots of ideas to lighten up your bulb.
So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help educate your friends and members about precautions of chemical safety in workplace. Department of Health, Safety and Environment, Pakistan, in association with Occupational Health and Safety.